We are going to discuss Telangana State Intermediate Final 2024 English First Language English Paper 1. In this video, we are going to discuss only the grammatical part. Come on, let us continue with our studies. Section C. Identify the parts of speech of any 8 of the following underlined words. Question number 1. Hyderabad is a historical city. The word historical describes the quality or the property of the noun city. So it is an adjective. In the second question, honesty, it is a noun. In the third one, alas, the legendary athlete Milkha Singh is dead. Here the word alas is an interjection. The fourth one, joyfully. The boy ran into the pot joyfully. Here the word joyfully describes the verb run. So it is an adverb. In the fifth one, about, as all of you know, it is a preposition. In the sixth one, world is a noun. In the seventh one, I invited him to the party. Him is a pronoun. In the eighth one, she is interested in painting. Here the word interested comes as an adjective. In the ninth one, she has 2 children. The word two describes the noun children, so it is an adjective. In the 10th one, since he was tired, he went to the bed early. Here the word since combines the 2 clauses, so it is a conjunction. Question number 7. Fill in any 8 of the following blanks with A, an or the. In the first one, dash talent of dash writer can't be underestimated. The talent of a writer. In the second one, I interviewed dash MP in dash evening. Here you need to note down one important thing. MP. The letter M is not a vowel, but the sound MP, a sound. It is a vowel sound. So here we need to use an, and before evening and morning we need to use the article the. In the third one, the more you learn, the more you benefit. The more you study, the more marks you get. So this is, in these type of sentences, we are supposed to use the and the. In the next question, Mukesh Ambani is the Bill Gates of India. So here the article is there. In the next one, did you get married after leaving the university? In the sixth one, it was the hottest day ever. Here the article there is wrongly typed in the question itself. Actually in the dash should come, because before any superlative degree, hottest, thickest, thinnest, coldest, we need to use the. Seventh one, I put dash unopened letters over there. I put the unopened letters over there. Question number 8. Fill in any 8 of the following blanks with suitable prepositions. Question number 1. Dimmakka and her husband used to carry 4 pails of water for a distance of 4 kilometers to water the saplings. In the second one, don't rely on others for everything. It is a phrasal verb. After rely, on follows. So rely on is the phrasal verb. India got independence in 1947. He jumped into the well. In the next one, there is a beautiful painting dash the wall. on the wall. My first rank is at stake, you see. Here, the sentence at stake. It is an idiomatic expression, so at stake is an idiom. So in the dash, the preposition at should come. Next one, can you translate this from English into Telugu? So from English to Telugu, the translation should be. So the prepositions from and to should come. In the next one, fill in any four of the following blanks with suitable forms of the verbs given in brackets. Water dash during winter in some areas of the Atlantic Ocean. This is a universal truth. So here we are supposed to use simple present tense. And moreover, here water is a third person singular. So freezes. Yes should follow the verb. So freezes is the correct answer. Next one, don't disturb. The child is sleeping. At present the child is sleeping, so don't disturb. So present continuous tense is sleeping. Third one, the birds dash just dash away. Here there is a clue word, just. Whenever we come across the clue word just, we should confirm that it is a present perfect tense. So have flown. Here birds plural form, so have flown. Fly, flew, flown. In the next question, I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car. Simple past tense should come. I wish I were a bird. I wish I had a car. The audience dashed their seats before the cinema began. Here, again we come across a clue word, that is before. Whenever we come across the clue words before or after in a sentence, then we must confirm that definitely a past perfect tense should come in that sentence. So two actions are there. Both the actions took place in the past. Which one has taken place first? For that we need to use past perfect tense. So here cinema began. Before that the audience had occupied their seats. So here it is past perfect tense. So had occupied. Next one, I dash the right answer right now. Here again we come across a clue word now. Now, if we come across a clue word now, then we can confirmly say that it is present continuous tense. So here no not is given. So am not knowing. I am not knowing the right answer right now. Then question number 10, rewrite any four of the following as directed. The workers called off the strike. Called off means they have taken back their strike. Change the sentence to passive voice. Here called off, simple past tense. Again here the strike, it is in singular form. So we are supposed to use the be verb was. So the answer is the strike was called, which is the present tense, past tense, past participle, which is the past participle for called, again called only. So the answer is the strike was called off by the workers. We need to use the preposition by before the workers. So this is the correct answer. Second one, the inspector said to the constable, I am your boss. Change the sentence to indirect speech. First of all, this is an affirmative sentence. I mean to say statement. Therefore, conjunction is that. Again, we need to change said to into told. And we are supposed to make three types of changes. One is pronoun change. Here I should be converted into he. Your should be converted into his. Next one is tense change. Am is the be verb for present tense. So that should be changed into was. And moreover, there is no adverb in this sentence. So there is no adverbial change. Now the answer is, the inspector told the constable that he was his boss. This is the correct answer for this question. Question number 3. A classmate said to me, is your father a businessman? Change the sentence to indirect speech. Again, this is an example of interrogative sentence. I mean question. And again, there are two types of questions are there. One is be verb question, another one is WH question. Here, the question starts with is. So, it's an example of be verb question. So, therefore, the conjunction must be if or whether. Again, said to should be converted into asked. Moreover, three types of changes. First one is pronoun change. Your must be changed into my. Tense change is should be changed into was. Again, there is no adverb in this sentence, so there is no adverbial change. When this type of question comes, easier way to convert it, first of all, we need to change the form from question type to a statement form. So let us write in this way. A classmate said to me, what's the question? Is your father a businessman? Let us change like this. Your father is a businessman in a statement form. Then it would be easier for us to change it into indirect speech. Now we can easily change. A classmate asked me if my father was a businessman. This is the indirect form of the question. Okay. Next, question number 4. Simla is cooler than Ooty. Cooler, cool, cooler, coolest. So it is given in comparative form. Change the sentence to positive degree. So the correct way to write it in positive degree is Ooty. Simla is cooler than Ooty. So we can write like this. Ooty is not so cool as Simla. Next one. Very few TV channels are as popular as ETV. Change the sentence to superlative degree. Here the clue word is very few. So we need to use one of the. If it is given in this way, no other TV channel, then we need to write it is there, like that we need to write. But here it is given very few. So we have to write like this. ETV is one of the most popular TV channels. There are many popular TV channels. Among them, ETV is one. ETV is one among them. So we need to write like this. ETV is one of the most popular TV channels. Then you have done your homework. Dash. Add a question tag. Very easy. Find out the be verb, that is have. The sentence is given in affirmative. In other words, in a positive way. So the answer or the question tag must be in a negative sense. So have means here have not. And moreover here pronoun is you. So we need to write this. Have not you. What is the short form of have not? Haven't. So the answer is haven't you? Yes. Now let us move on to the next question. 11th one. Rewrite any 4 of the following sentences correcting the underlined errors. Every woman raised their voice. Here every woman. So there must be changed into her. Sheila and Nancy like one another. Here only the thing is in between two persons. So not one another, each other. He is more better than she. Actually, good, better, best. Good is a single syllable word or monosyllabic word. So the comparative degree must be better, superlative must be best. Here no need to use more. So the answer is he is better than she. Fourth one, he and me are brothers. Not he and me. It is he and I are brothers. Fifth one, he is having many imported clothes. One thing we need to note it down. For have, there is no continuous form. There is no continuous tense. So we shouldn't use is having, was having like that. So he is having many imported clothes. That is wrong. He has many imported clothes. Sixth one, this coffee is very hot to drink. We know the correlative conjunction to. So it is perfect to write this coffee is too hot to drink. In the next sentence, next question number 12, supply the missing letters to any 8 of the following words. First one is through, second one is slightly, third one is ground, fourth one is worry, fifth one is speed, sixth one is anguish, seventh one is previous, eighth one is might, ninth one is receive, 10th one is peace. For your better understanding, the spellings are given in different colors. Make note of it. Question number 13. Identify the silent consonant letters in any 8 of the following words. First one, limb. The silent letter is B. Second one, malign, G. Third one, doubt. Silent letter is D. Fourth one, through, GH. Fifth one is chalk. The silent letter is L. Next one, night. The silent letters are GH. Seventh one, depot. The silent letter is T. In the eighth one, large. The silent letter is D. In the ninth one, coo, not coop, coo. So silent letter is P. In the 10th one, Christmas, not Christmas. So the silent letter is T. Question number 15. Circle any 4 of the words that sound different from the other in that set with regard to the sounds of the bold letters. Here, no knife. Both sound the same. Kite is different. Similarly, in the second one, that is different. In the third one, easy. Z sound. So easy is different. In the fourth one, tour. Tour is different. Fifth one, rod. Hope, rope, O sound, but rod, A sound. So rod is different. In the sixth one, earn, earth, each. Each sounds different. Question number 16. Mention the number of syllables in 4 of the following words. Here, for your better understanding, the syllables are separated by means of slashes. For your better understanding, so make note of them. Observatory, 5 syllables. Bun, 1 syllable or monosyllable. Examine, 3 syllables. Apology, 4 syllables. History, 3 syllables. Question, 2 syllables. So, with this video has come to an end. With more questions with the answer key, let us meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Continue to support our channel.